Hello people and welcome back to Caughton DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. Of course, this episode is going to be epic, so make sure to sit back and stick till the end. All the clips used in this episode are strictly for educational purposes and hopefully they can be of use to you. Without any further delay, let's get this episode underway. Whenever you come across amber lights, please stop. Better safe than sorry in any case, especially nowadays when drivers run through red lights for hobby. Keeping a safe distance between you and the vehicle in front is of crucial importance for your safety. You can never know who or what might run out onto the road and cause drivers to slam their brakes.
Big Lou will answer your call and work to fit you into a term life policy that you can afford. Remember. Meds too.
Oh my God!
He has let us down because he's unwilling. He's unwilling to take responsibility for any of the mistakes that were made.
That road is always a danger for drivers in traffic. Rain mixed with the oil on the road creates a rather slippery surface, and once you hit it, there is no turning back, especially if you're moving at a high rate of speed. In this situation, the camera lost control of his vehicle and he hit the road median. The driver who crashed had impaired vision, but he didn't know it until the accident occurred.
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed.
辆车 merge， 两个车要斗气了。
Hello, just be sorry.
OK， 两个人斗气，两个在后面在 merge 的时候，两个估计有个人硬要挤进来，一辆车就不让进，然后两个人在斗气，现在互相别车。See? Seriously?
Oh my god!
It's 4 in the morning, and some drivers still have the energy to drive crazy and recklessly. Camera was waiting at the traffic lights, and this guy flew past him like lightning as he was running away from the cops. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caughton DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two based on all the mistakes you saw. If you support this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because it would really mean a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay notified for future uploads. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.